In this video, we'll show you how to issue gift cards using the Universell dashboard. First, log into your Universell dashboard. Go to Marketing, then Gift Card, and select Issue Card. You'll now see three options: physical, digital, and promotional gift cards. To issue a physical gift card, select Physical.
Click Next.
Hand out the printed gift card at your store. Enter the card number and gift amount. Next, select an existing customer or click Add New Customer. Enter first name, last name, email, phone number.
Upload photo, then click Add.
Then enter card details to proceed with payment. Once completed, your physical gift card is issued. To send a digital gift card, select Digital. Choose from a variety of templates or customize your design. Enter gift amount expiry date for display only.
Click Next.
Customer details, you can add a new customer or choose an existing one. Next, enter payment details, review the order summary, and confirm. Your digital gift card is instantly sent via email or SMS. To create promotional gift cards, select Promotional. Enter campaign title, campaign description. Start date, end date, click Next, and customize your gift card. Enter the gift amount. Click Next, then choose
Send to new customer.
Send to all customers. Send to specific customers. Send to customer groups or segments.
Then click Next.
Review and confirm the details. Enter your merchant password to approve the gift card. Only authorized staff should complete this step. Once confirmed, your promotional gift cards are issued. Use gift card analytics to track sales, redemptions, and performance. Gain insights that help drive growth and increase revenue. That's how easy it is to issue gift cards with Universell. Start today and boost sales, loyalty, and customer engagement.